Hey there! Are you ready to unlock your full potential in English? Whether you've just started learning or have been trying for a while, I'm here to show you how simple it can be to speak and understand English like a pro. Yes, you can improve your skills, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in. Learning English might seem difficult at first, but trust me, with the right steps, you'll be able to speak and understand it confidently in no time. The key? Focus on practicing two important skills, speaking and listening. Ready to get started? Let's go. Practice speaking. Boost your confidence. Speaking is one of the most powerful ways to improve your English. It's not just about memorizing words, it's about using them. And the more you practice, the better you'll get. Here are some simple ways to practice speaking every day. Talk to yourself. Sounds a bit strange, right? But trust me, it works. You can talk to yourself about anything. Start with your surroundings. For example, when you wake up, say things like, "I see the sun shining outside," or "I'm feeling happy today." This helps you get used to thinking in English and using words naturally in your everyday life. Tell stories about your day. Think about what you did yesterday or what you're planning to do tomorrow and say it out loud. For example, yesterday I went to the park and had fun with my dog. Or, tomorrow, I plan to cook my favorite meal. These simple sentences help you improve your fluency. Practice with friends. Got a friend who wants to learn English too? Awesome. Grab your friend, go to a cafe, or chat online. Pick a topic you both enjoy, like your favorite movie, book, or hobby, and have a fun conversation. For example, you can ask, "What's your favorite food?" And they might reply, "I love pizza." It's a great way to practice speaking naturally and learn new vocabulary. Join conversation groups. Look for conversation groups in your area or online. These groups are designed to bring people together to practice speaking English. You'll meet new people, share ideas, and have fun while learning. Plus, you'll get to talk about different topics and practice real-life conversations. It's a great way to improve your English while socializing. Language exchange apps. Apps like HelloTalk or Tandem can connect you with people worldwide who want to practice English. For example, if you speak Spanish, you can find a language partner who speaks English and wants to learn Spanish. You can text, voice chat, or even have video calls with them. It's a great way to get practice and help someone else too. Record yourself. You might feel nervous speaking at first, but one amazing way to improve is by recording yourself. Use your phone or computer to record a short story or talk about your day, then listen to it. This helps you notice areas you need to work on, like your pronunciation or grammar. You'll feel more confident hearing your own progress. Listen and repeat. Sharpen your listening skills. Listening is just as important as speaking. To become fluent in English, you need to understand how words sound and how they're used in sentences. But don't worry, there are so many fun ways to practice. Listen to English songs. What's better than learning while enjoying your favorite music? English songs are a great way to improve your listening skills. Listen to the lyrics, try singing along, and repeat the lines. This helps you with pronunciation and rhythm. If you don't understand a word, look it up and add it to your vocabulary list. Watch movies and TV shows. Movies and TV shows are a fantastic way to hear how English speakers talk in real life. Start with children's shows because they use simple words and clear sentences. As you improve, try watching shows without subtitles. Choose something you love, like an animated film or a nature documentary, and pay attention to how characters speak. Listen to podcasts and audiobooks. Podcasts and audiobooks are perfect for learning on the go. Find topics you enjoy, whether it's cooking, travel, or science, and listen to podcasts designed for English learners. Many of them speak slowly and clearly, making them easier to follow. Audiobooks are also great. Choose simple stories and listen while following along with the text. Use language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo or Babbel offer great listening exercises to help you learn English. You can listen to short conversations and repeat them, and some apps even give you feedback on your pronunciation. By practicing with these apps every day, you'll get better at understanding and speaking English. Practice with news or radio. Want to take it up a notch? Try listening to the news in English. Many news stations offer simple English broadcasts for learners. You can also listen to English radio stations or talk shows. This exposes you to different accents and speaking styles, making it easier to understand real-life conversations. Imitate what you hear. One of the best ways to improve both your pronunciation and intonation is by imitating what you hear. Listen carefully to short clips from songs, podcasts, or movies, then pause and repeat what was said. Try to copy the tone and rhythm as closely as you can. This practice will help you sound more natural when you speak. Listen to different accents. English is spoken all over the world, and there are many different accents. To improve your listening skills even more, try listening to speakers from different countries like the UK, Australia, or Canada. This will help you understand various accents and prepare you for real conversations with people from different backgrounds. Stay consistent. The key to success, improving your English, is a journey, and the key to success is consistency. Practice speaking and listening every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Don't worry if you don't see progress immediately. Keep practicing, stay patient, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Bonus tips for accelerating your English learning journey. Are you ready for even more ways to supercharge your learning? Let's dive into some bonus tips that will help you boost your skills even faster. Surround yourself with English. One of the most powerful methods for improving your language skills is by surrounding yourself with English as much as possible. You can integrate English into your daily routine by change your phone, computer language to English. This might feel a little strange at first, but it's a great way to get used to seeing and using English in your daily life. If you need help, just switch it back after a few days, but you'll be surprised how much you pick up by using English every day. Follow English social media accounts. Follow accounts that post in English, whether they're about news, hobbies, or anything you're passionate about. This will give you daily reading practice and expose you to new words and phrases. Label things around your house. Grab some sticky notes and label objects around your house with their English names. For example, write refrigerator, mirror, door, etc. This will help you associate everyday objects with their English words, and you'll start thinking in English without even realizing it. Learn vocabulary in context. One of the best ways to remember new words is by learning them in context. Rather than memorizing isolated words, try to learn how those words fit into sentences. Here are a few ways to do this. Read short stories or articles. Pick up a book or an article on a topic that interests you. As you read, pay attention to new words and try to understand them based on the context of the sentence. For example, if you don't know the word adventure, but you see it in a sentence like, "They went on a thrilling adventure to the jungle," you can guess that the word means something exciting or new. Use new words in sentences. Once you learn new words, use them in your own sentences. This helps you remember them better. You could write a journal entry or even use your new vocabulary in conversations with friends or family. Watch and listen to examples. When you watch a movie or listen to a podcast, pay attention to how native speakers use certain words in different situations. Hearing words used naturally will help you understand how to use them in your own conversations. 6. Be active in language communities. Another way to improve quickly is to engage with people who are learning or already fluent in English. Language communities are full of resources and people to help you along the way. Join online forums or groups. There are plenty of online communities where you can practice your English. Look for forums, Facebook groups, or Discord servers dedicated to English learners. Not only will you learn from others, but you can also ask questions and share your own experiences. Attend language meetups. Many cities have language exchange meetups, where learners of different languages come together to practice speaking. You can find groups in your area through apps like Meetup or even Facebook. Meeting people face-to-face can be an enjoyable way to learn. Ask questions and seek feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's online or in person, people are usually happy to give you tips or correct you when necessary. This will help you improve faster. 7. Keep a learning journal. Keeping track of your progress is a great way to stay motivated and see how much you've improved. Here's how you can do it. Write down new vocabulary. Whenever you come across a new word, jot it down in a notebook. Write down its meaning, and if possible, make a sentence with it. Review your journal regularly to refresh your memory. Track your progress. Set small, achievable goals, like learning 10 new words per week or having a 5-minute conversation in English. Celebrate when you hit your milestones. This keeps you motivated and shows you that your hard work is paying off. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. One of the biggest fears of learners is making mistakes, but guess what? Mistakes are part of the process. Here's how to turn them into a positive experience. Embrace your mistakes. Mistakes show that you are trying, and that's the best way to learn. Don't feel embarrassed if you make errors while speaking or writing. Instead, see them as stepping stones toward improvement. Ask for corrections. If you make a mistake, ask someone to correct you. If you're practicing with a friend or a tutor, they can help you refine your language skills. The more you practice, the fewer mistakes you'll make over time. Focus on communication, not perfection. The goal of learning a language is to communicate, not to speak perfectly. Even native speakers make mistakes. What matters is that you can get your point across and continue improving. Make English part of your daily routine. The best way to improve your English quickly is by making it a part of your life. This doesn't mean you need to spend hours studying every day, but if you can incorporate English into your daily activities, you'll see a difference. Morning routine in English. Start your day by thinking in English. Whether it's mentally going over your to-do list or speaking to yourself about your plans for the day, getting into the habit of using English first thing in the morning will set the tone for the rest of the day. Use English. During breaks. During your breaks at work or school, try to listen to an English podcast or chat with someone in English. Even short bursts of learning will help you stay engaged and keep your skills sharp. Incorporate English into hobbies. Love cooking? Try following recipes in English. Are you into gaming? Play games with English audio. By blending English into activities you enjoy, you'll naturally increase your exposure to the language, and there you have it. By practicing speaking and listening, staying consistent, and immersing yourself in English every day, you'll start to feel more comfortable and confident. Remember, the key is practice, patience, and persistence. You're on the right path, and every small step you take is a step toward fluency. So, are you ready to master English? Keep these tips in mind, stay motivated, and never stop learning. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to improve your English. And share this video with anyone who could use a little extra help on their language learning journey. Good luck and happy learning. Got a favorite tip or strategy that helps you learn English? Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon so you never miss an update.